Is your Samsung oven not heating properly? Leaving food undercooked, overcooked, or unevenly baked? This video explains the main points to check for proper heating and even cooking results. If food is undercooked, overcooked, or the temperature is not reached, review these checkpoints. Number 1. Use recommended rack level and cookware. Check if you are using the recommended oven rack levels and cookware. The user manual specifies which level to use for different dishes. Also, dark pans absorb and retain more heat than light pans, and are more likely to burn food around the edges. When using the oven accessory, allow at least 1 centimeter space from the bottom of the oven and from any other accessory. Number 2. Ensure proper airflow around food. Proper airflow is important for heat to reach all sides of the food. Leave at least 1 inch of space around each item, especially in convection cooking. Do not overcrowd the trays. If aluminum foil is used on racks, leave gaps at the edges for ventilation. Number 3. Preheat is recommended for the best results. Allow enough time for preheating. Many items, such as cakes, pies, and biscuits, have short cooking time, and failure to preheat can make a significant difference in results. Preheating is recommended for most oven modes unless the cooking guide specifies otherwise. It is not required for air fry mode. Some auto-cook programs include preheating automatically, and the progress will be shown on the display. Number 4. Avoid opening the oven door while cooking. Avoid opening the oven door while cooking. When the door is opened, a large amount of hot air escapes, and the oven must reheat the lost heat and return to the set temperature. Make sure the door is not opened unnecessarily. Now, let's review the checkpoints if food is unevenly heated or the side of the tray gets burned. Checkpoint 1. Check correct shelf height. If side dishes on a tray are burning, check the cooking pan's shelf height. Most ovens have 5 shelving levels, and the user manual specifies which level is appropriate for each type of cooking. Refer to the user manual for detailed guidance. Checkpoint 2. Check door gasket for heat leaks. Uneven cooking may occur if heat leaks from the oven door. Check whether there is a gap or deformation in the gasket that could allow heat to escape. If the gasket is worn out or damaged, replace it to ensure a tight seal. Checkpoint 3. Confirm convection fan operation. Convection mode, which is usually used for baking and roasting, uses convection fan to distribute the heat evenly. Ensure that the convection fan is operating properly. Also, check that the cover casing in front of the fan is correctly assembled to ensure even heat distribution. Checkpoint 4. Check household power supply. It is also important to check the household power source. If the supplied voltage is insufficient, the heater temperature may be reduced, and the fan may turn slowly. Check the circuit breaker and connections. These checks address the most common causes of heating and uneven cooking problems. If the oven still does not cook properly after these steps, please contact Samsung Service for professional support.